Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is we're going to start you on the 18 Tai Chi Qigong postures. We're going to be going through the first 3 of the postures. This is great for stress management, relaxation, and overall fitness. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes and click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Posture number 1, lifting the water. Inhale as you raise your arms up gently to shoulder height. Exhale as you drop them back to waist height. As you inhale, a point of attention is keep the wrists supple. As you exhale, let the fingers float up gently. You want to repeat this process 12 times. Posture number 2, opening the chest. Inhale as you raise your arms up and out to the side. Exhale as you return to the center and press down. Inhale as you raise the arms up and out. Exhale as you return to center. Keeping the movements slow and rhythmic. You want to repeat this posture 12 times. Point of attention is soft and supple wrist. To increase the exercise, as you exhale, you can bend the knees. As you inhale, you can straighten them. Once again, repeat the posture 12 times. Posture number 3. Inhale as you turn your body to the left, right palm overhead, left palm out to the side. Now exhale as you shift your body weight to the right leg, bringing the right hand overhead and the left palm over top. Inhale on one side, exhale on the other. Keep your movements slow and rhythmic. Visualize yourself as the arms are like a rainbow extending out far to each side. Repeat this exercise 6 times on each side. And don't forget to hit
the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.